Hi everyone. In today's video, we'll see how I can use my internal database to close the position which are posted on Hiring Rewards platform. The first step I'll do is I'll choose any of the opening which is already posted on Hiring Rewards platform. Hypothetically, say I will accept this particular opening because there is only one CV which has been submitted. The rewards are also pretty good. So in this case, what I'll probably do is I'll just click on accept button. The moment I click on accept button, this job opening will disappear from here and will be visible in my active job section. Now the second step what I'll do is I'll click on this source through LinkedIn option which is visible on my left hand side of the screen. And this is the opening which I recently accepted, right? Now what I'll do is next step would be I will just click on this particular opening and I'll simply click on AI recommendations. AI recommendations is nothing but the internal database which you have already created. It will try to source the candidate from that particular database. So I'll just click on AI recommendations. It will search the candidates from the internal database which you have created. I will select all the candidates and the action section I will click on add to jobs. It has successfully added 50 candidates who were in the pipeline. Now what the system is doing is it is just working on the resume score, which will take probably couple of minutes because it's a lengthy process. So it will take couple of minutes, but it will be done very soon. So I'll just refresh my page here. And as you can see, there are already CVs for which we have started to get the scores. By clicking on this ascending or descending button, we can also arrange the candidates who are matching maximum number of score which we are looking for in this particular candidate. So as I can see here is we have already got couple of candidates who are matching 65% of the score, 60% of the score, 70% of the score. Now as far as the score is concerned, whenever a candidate is matching 80% or the above score, that is considered as a very good candidate. So always look for candidate who is matching 80% or the above score. Similarly, for other requirements as well, as you can see, there are other requirements which I have already accepted. Here also you can check. For example, there is an opening which I have accepted of a social media manager. I have already tried doing somewhat similar. I have added 50 candidates. I'll just click on this button. Here I have candidate who's matching say 90% of the resume score, 87% of the resume score, so on and so forth. So there are so many candidates without logging in anywhere or without using any other sourcing tool. Just by utilizing the internal database which we have created, you can source candidates using this. Now the only thing which you need to check from these candidate is whether they are comfortable with the kind of location where the client is located and what is the salary range, because these are the two details which are usually not visible in the resume. So we cannot give you a resume score on the basis of that. There might be candidates who have mentioned Pune in their CV, but the job opening is in Mumbai location, and the candidate is willing to relocate to Mumbai for this very simple reason because his hometown is Mumbai. So in those cases, it will be a win-win situation for the candidate as well. So now the only thing which you have to check with these candidates whether the CTC is in the range of client and whether he is ready to relocate or can go to office and work. To open the CV, you just need to click on this button. It will redirect you to another page where you can open the CV. Here you'll get to see the strength and weaknesses of the candidate, and you can even download the candidate from here. So you just need to download the CV from here. If the candidate agrees to the CTC range and the work location, just upload it in the senior whichever requirement you have downloaded the CV for, and start getting rewarded. Right. So this is how simple it is to work on hiring rewards platform. Do mention all the questions which you might have about this technology in the comment section of this video. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching.